Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. And this was your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and we gonna be right back. So today's unit is the HD transparent lace front wig from Main Attraction. It's in the style RCHT206 HAEZEL, and I got it in the color SR1B/burgundy. And this is what the front of the card is looking like. It has a perfect skin tone HD transparent lace, conventional lace, and this is what the back of the stock card is looking like. It does come with the baby hairs. It has a 4-inch deep parting space and transparent method hairline. So as you guys saw, this was a plop and go. If you have been on my channel before, you know that I love me some plop and goes. The only thing that I did was I added some foundation to my beauty blender. I have Fenty Beauty. I'm in the color 420. So I added it on my sponge and I put it underneath the lace. There wasn't a lot of lace for the hairline, which was great. So I typically would go in with my Eben lace tint, but because the lace is very short on this unit, I just went in with my foundation. And along the hairline, I was trying to go in with the foundation, but you could still see the lace. So I ended up going in with my Juvia's Place Chocolates palette, and I went in with this color over here, and I just went in along the hairline to darken it up, and it blends in nicely on camera and in person. So I do like that. I do like the face frame of the curls on this unit. It's so cute. It does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there. It is big head friendly. I had to go in with the adjustable straps back in the back, and I had to put it on the tightest setting because it was a little big on your girl's head. I'm on the medium spectrum, FYI. And I did pull the lace really tight along with the adjustable straps, and I did put the combs in my hair. It's not giving me a headache as of yet. I feel pretty fine. So I didn't have to glue this unit down. I love me a glueless unit, especially for a synthetic wig. If you guys have been watching my channel, you know I do not like gluing down synthetic wigs. That's just not my thing. So yeah, this was easy. This is a super cute unit. One thing I'll say about Main Attraction is that they tend to have silkier units. This unit is on the silky side. I do wish they would cater a little more to the yaki side of, you know, us black girls who are mainly wearing their wigs. So it would be nice to see a little switch up from their units from time to time with some yaki texture, you know, a little bit thicker, you know, so we can pull out our edges and just blend it in with the unit. I did go in with a little brush. I went in with my medium brown pressed powder from MAC, and then I went in with the lighter color on my chocolates palette, and I mixed it in, and I just went in along the hairline just so it could be my complexion, and I am just loving it. This is so easy, you guys. I hope you get all the pointers you can from this video, because this is definitely a beginner friendly video. So this unit does range in a $34 price range, so I will list a Google link in the description box below. Also in the description box, if you guys do not know, it's like a little down arrow. You click on it. It has all the details of the unit. It has all the details that I used in today's video as well. You know, the even edge control and the lace tint that I use, and you know, sometimes like other hair care products, even video recording products that I have. And if you guys are interested in starting a low carb lifestyle, I am on the keto diet with my husband. So yes, those are all in the description box below. So before we go, there are 2 black owned businesses that I want to highlight. The one is my mother's. She wrote a children's book on Amazon. It's called Adventures of Sable Brown. It's about a young girl and her brother taking a closet adventure in the African safari. The link to this book will be listed below. It's a great read for your young kids. Also, my husband and I started our own business as well. He is an online fitness coach. So if anyone is interested in trying to get right, you know, if you need help with your nutrition, if you need help with your workouts, he's got you, okay? It's a very, very good program for busy people as well. So that's where he kind of markets himself to people who don't have time to, you know, go to the gym or don't have time to really like cater to their health. He can help you lose weight as a busy person. Even if you're not busy, the more the merrier, okay? So I will put his link in the description box as well, but we also sell cooling towels on Amazon. You wet the towel, you wring it, you shake it out, and it keeps you cool during a hot, sweaty workout. So I'm a certified yoga instructor, so I use these for my yoga classes. We also take them when we go on vacation. We like to do hiking and just exploring and things like that. So these will keep you nice and cool. You wet, wring, and shake, and they're great for kids as well, especially with the summer coming up. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and I will see you guys next time.